Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lee, and today I'm making red velvet brownies. And this video is part of a Valentine's Day treat collaboration with the Facebook group YouTube Collabs. So make sure you head down to the description box and check out the playlist link so that you can watch all of the other videos. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 box of brownie mix. Use your favorite brand. And you're also going to need 1 box of red velvet cake mix. Also use your favorite brand. Just make sure it's about 15 ounces. Follow the directions on the back of the brownie mix, except you want to substitute cooled coffee for the water. For the red velvet cake, you want to add 1/4 cup of melted but cooled butter, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 egg. Then just mix both to combine. You want to prepare a 9 by 13 inch pan by greasing it and then adding some parchment paper and greasing it again, or you can just completely line it with foil and grease the foil. Now I'm going to put the brownie mix in, brownie batter. Now you're just going to take the red velvet mix and drop it along the top of the brownie batter. Now you want to pop this into a preheated 350 degree oven for 22 to 28 minutes. Just keep an eye on it, and you can also use the toothpick method. If you put the toothpick in and it comes out almost clean, then they're ready. Here they are, straight from the oven. And now for the hardest part of all, you have to let them cool completely before you attempt to remove them from the pan. Now that they've cooled off, you want to take a knife and sort of run it around the edge to make sure it's loosened from the pan. And then, hopefully, yes, just comes out nicely. And then I'm just going to cut them up. This is what they look like when you cut into them. They're so moist and so gooey and so delicious. Make sure you check out the description box below so that you can see all of the other videos in the playlist for this collaboration. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, please. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook at LeighsHome05. Thanks for watching. Bye.